Is your heater core not blowing out hot air in your old car or truck? Well, this truck isn't, so we're gonna fix it by flushing out the heater core using just a garden hose and these fittings I rigged up. 9 times out of 10, these heater cores just get plugged up with old rusty water, sometimes radiator fixed, and a whole bunch of other gunk. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna hook these hoses up in reverse flow, allowing it to kick out all of that old debris and fixing this heater core. Now, if your heater core is leaking, I would not recommend this. But if you don't see any leaks and you're just not getting hot air blowing, this video is for you. On this truck, the heater core is located back there. Look at all that rust, dude. You guys are getting ready to see the nastiest stuff come out of that heater core. Went and got some PEX fittings, and we just slide it in there and hose clamp it down. You're gonna wanna make sure this is good and tight. So this is where we're gonna flow it in. According to what I looked up, flow goes this way. So we're reversing the flow so we can knock all the debris out. So the water's gonna come in here, it's gonna come out through this hose, and we're gonna run this hose down to a 5-gallon bucket. Go ahead, sir.
It's gonna take a minute to get through all that hose.
Stand by. There we are. Look at all that crap coming out, dude. The cheap hose connector I picked up would not stop leaking, but it turned out to be a good thing because you do not want to turn this hose on full blast during this process. Heater core only sees about 10 to 15 psi of pressure, so I wasn't too mad at the extra precaution with the leaky hose. Dude, look at all that gunk. We've got the hose set up. So we've got the hose ran to this side of the heater core. The flow goes like this. So we're reverse flowing it into that bucket. For our second flush, we decided to take it outside this time. You want to let the water run until it starts to run clear, but it doesn't need to be perfect. All right, now that it's starting to run clear, I think we're good. Now it's time to put the new heater core hose on. We're gonna take some of this blaster silicone and we're gonna put it on the hoses so that the hose slips on the fitting just a little bit easier.
You know what's awesome?
What?
We didn't put a hose clamp on it.
Yeah, we did.
Did we?
Right.
Oh, dude, you're the bee's knees.
Where's that new hose at, sir? And honestly, I'm gonna spray some right there, because why not? We're not gonna hurt this 30-year-old truck. Boom, look at how smooth that just slid on there. Slip it right through there. All right, make this a little more uniform. We're just gonna zip tie these together for now because we want them to run the same way. We're gonna run it up to here. Last connection's right here. So when you're cutting a hose, always cut it long.
You're doing such a good job.
Thank you. I live for your support, actually. I cut it just a wee bit too long, so we're gonna take another inch off of it. Let's get the hose clamp on there. I almost forgot it. And now, oh, it's gonna puke a little bit, but it'll just bang, slip right on there. So now we gotta let this thing warm up and make sure that the heater core is actually working. All right, let's take it for a drive. Dude, it's already warmer. Oh yeah, it's warming up.
It's not cold in here.
No, it's not.
But
Who said we need to replace the heater cord?
they're wrong.
They're wrong. Hey, hit it again. And that's how you fix a heater core without replacing a heater core. Before you go ahead and replace your heater core, I definitely recommend flushing it out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.